In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write and save a check in QuickBooks Online. Now, before we dive into the process, make sure you have access to QuickBooks Online and you're logged in. This is crucial so that you can follow along with each step. To start off, let's open up your Chrome browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website by typing in QuickBooks.intuit.com. Once you're there, sign in with your credentials. If you're not already a regular user of QuickBooks Online, ensuring that you have your username and password handy will streamline the sign-in process, keeping things smooth and hassle-free. Next, once you're successfully logged in and at the main dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but what we're interested in is the plus icon, conveniently labeled as plus new. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll find all your essential invoicing, billing, and check writing tools. Now under the vendors section, you're going to want to select check. This will take you into the area where you can start entering the details for the check you need to write. Now comes the part where you fill out the check. It's quite straightforward, but it's important to pay attention to each detail to avoid any mistakes. Firstly, there's the payee field. Here you can choose an existing vendor or enter the name of a new individual or business that you're paying. This flexibility allows you to cater to both regular transactions and one-off payments. Then you'll see the bank account option. Select the appropriate bank account from which the check will be drawn. Next, make sure the date is correct. This should be the date you want the transaction to be recorded, adjusted if necessary. Next, you'll need to specify the amount. Be sure to double check this number for accuracy, as you wouldn't want to underpay or overpay by accident. Once the amount is set, navigate to the category section. This is where you'll choose the corresponding expense account, such as office supplies or utilities. This categorization is key for keeping your accounts organized and ensuring that all expenses are tracked correctly. If you have any additional notes or memos about the transaction, pop those in at the designated section. They can be helpful for future reference or auditing purposes. Finally, let's talk about saving your work. Once you've confirmed that all the details are correct and complete, you have a couple of options. You can click Save and Close if you're done for the day, or Save and New if you have more checks to write. And there you have it. It's